The RoveStep heavy-duty collapsible wagon feels impressively solid thanks to its reinforced steel frame, which handles very heavy loads without flexing or wobbling on uneven ground. Its generous interior volume is large enough to swallow a full family outing's worth of camping gear, beach chairs, or garden supplies in a single trip, cutting down on back-and-forth hauls. Oversized all-terrain wheels give this wagon a clear advantage on sand, gravel, and grass, rolling smoothly where smaller carts tend to bog down or get stuck. The wagon folds down into a surprisingly slim, tall package that tucks easily into a car trunk or garage corner, so it does not become bulky clutter when you are not using it. An adjustable telescoping handle helps users of different heights steer comfortably, and the pivoting front end makes it easy to thread through crowded parking lots or campsite paths. Overall, this wagon combines hauling strength, capacity, and portability in a way that makes outdoor chores and trips notably easier and less tiring.